understanding what is happening. So I just moved myself back and then I hit him from my elbow to his soft spot, and from there I started running.
ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా అతన్ని, మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో చేస్తున్నట్లు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా అతన్ని?
నేను చూడలేదు. ఆ అబ్బాయికి ఇంటెన్షన్ ఓన్లీ నాతో చేయడానికి లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ, మేబీ ఐ డోంట్ నో, బట్ ఆ అబ్బాయికి ఇంటెన్షన్ robbery and murder was his intention. He wanted money and he also wanted to kill the person. So he came with the intention of robbery and murder.
ఆ రోజు నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు పోలీస్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఎలా ఉంది, మీకు ఏ విధంగా చెప్తున్నారు?
Police response is very very good. With the folded hands, I want to thank the government of Telangana and the police department from the bottom of my heart. The kind of work they are doing is incredible from day one till now. From the time I informed them that something like this happened to me, from that day till now, completely they are on job. There were dog squads on the same day. When this incident happened, after half an hour, there were dogs all over the place, finding that person, and everything was happening there. Multiple teams are working on the same issue. Task force is also involved now, police task force. And I would like to thank government of Telangana to take such prompt actions in this kind of things. Because of the government of Telangana, because of this kind of police support, me and everybody can proudly say that we live in the safest city in the country. I'm still proud that the country is the safest the city is the safest in our country because of this kind of prompt action. I'm sure that person will be behind the bar very very soon, and I don't have any regrets to whatsoever. Whatever has happened. It's bad, I know it's bad, but then I fought back. I did not give up. I was determined enough to fight back and to run away, just escape from there anyhow. So that person did not escape from there. I escaped from there first. He was still there waiting for me. When I ran towards the iron fence also, he was coming behind me. I did not have any option. See, there are only two options. One, either you die. Second thing, you escape. I wanted to escape, but my leg was not supporting. I have a broken leg. I tried running. I am not able to run also. He came behind me. So if I run into the walkway again, then again I'll be caught. Again he'll drag me to the same position. So what I thought immediately was, only thing I can do is I can call the people who are roaming on the road, the main road. But to reach the main road also, there was a very big iron fence there. So I had to cross the iron fence to reach to the people, and it was main road, so it's running road. People are not standing there, they are just going in auto and cars and all. So I ran there and I started shouting, please help, bachao, bachao, bachao karke I started shouting. Only when I shouted, that was the time that person stopped, because he got scared. If somebody comes, what will I do? But still nobody came. When I was shouting also, nobody came. But what I did was, I wanted to climb the fence. So I tried climbing the fence. After climbing the fence, I fell down because it's very high and my leg is broken. So 2 times around I fell down. Third time I managed somehow with the stones and all to jump, and I sat on the fence. And I have 2 options now. If I fall back, he will kill me. If I jump this side, my heads and my hands and legs will be broken. But I thought, it's okay, my hands and legs are broken, that's okay, but let me jump anyhow. I jumped onto the road.
పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేసరికి అతను జంప్ అయి వెళ్ళిపోయాడా?
No. ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ జంప్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫెన్స్, నేను జంప్ చేసిన తర్వాత, నేను అక్కడ మెయిన్ రోడ్లో జంప్ చేసిన తర్వాత, అక్కడ అబ్బాయిలు వచ్చినా కదా నాకు హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి, ఆ తర్వాత అబ్బాయి ran away. That is the time he ran away. But he was waiting until then because he still had hope that maybe he'll catch me one more time.
సిటీ హాటెస్ట్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ కేబీఆర్ పార్క్. అదర్ వాకర్స్ ఉమెన్కి ఏం చెప్తారు సజెషన్స్?
See, the incidents has taken place with me. It's unfortunate, and even I was very very scared for 2 days. But the idea is not here to scare anybody. We don't have to be scared. This kind of criminal kind of mentality people exist anywhere in this world and everywhere in this world. So we cannot say that only KBR Park may this thing happen and some other places this will not happen or whatever, or in the heart of the city how this happened. This can happen anywhere. The only thing we girls can do is equip yourself with the legal weapons, like maybe pepper spray, maybe something sharp object, or maybe some licensed pistol, that kind of thing. If I had that day, maybe I could have saved myself in a better way that day as well. So I only want to urge people, girls, everybody out there, it's never about it's not to to scare you. Whatever incident has happened, because so that we can take a lesson that wherever we are going, we have to be little more careful. We need to see where, our surroundings, and we need to make sure that maybe if the crowded places are there, we can go in the night times. That place was complete dark. Maybe because of the darkness, this thing happened with me. So going forward, we need to make sure that we are not entering any dark place like that. And if at all we have to go alone to some place because of work or whatever reason, we can still go. There is nothing to be scared about. But make sure you are aware, make sure you have pepper spray with you, make sure you have some sharp objects with you, so that if something unfortunate, God forbids, if this happens with you, with anybody, we can fight back. And second thing I want to tell to girls especially is, never give up. Please don't give up. Because if I lose my confidence, if I gave up that day, yes, I was already unconscious. I gave up for 1-2 seconds. I gave up. I did not know what to do anymore. But then I gained my consciousness back, and I was determined enough to escape from there no matter what. So I only urge girls out there to fight back. Do not let anybody do whatever they are doing to you. If at all you are in my condition, please be determined to fight. At least do whatever best you can do, but don't leave everything and give up and say, okay, let him do whatever he wants. If I would have done that, I would have been dead by now. So don't lose hope. Please fight back. Have faith, have confidence, be determined. But before all these things, prevention is better than care. సో మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నా ప్లీజ్ డార్క్ ఏరియాస్కి వెళ్ళొద్దు. మీరు వెళ్తే ఏదో మీ దగ్గర కొంచెం వెపన్స్ పెట్టుకొని అప్పుడు వెళ్ళండి.